Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a trip to London, but don't want to break the bank, then you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be sharing with you the top 10 free places to visit in London. Let's get started. Number 1. The British Museum. This iconic museum is home to a vast collection of artifacts from all around the world, including the Rosetta Stone and the Parthenon sculptures. Founded in 1753, it's one of the oldest and most prestigious museums in the world. The best part? It's absolutely free to visit. As we enter the museum, we're greeted by the stunning Great Court. This is the largest covered public square in Europe, and it's a perfect place to start our tour. The glass and steel roof is a modern architectural marvel, contrasting beautifully with the historic building. Our first stop is the world-famous Rosetta Stone. Discovered in 1799, this ancient artifact was the key to deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphs. It's truly a symbol of a human curiosity and the quest for knowledge. As we continue our tour, we come across the Egyptian Sculpture Gallery. Here, you'll find colossal statues, intricate carvings, and even a few mummies. It's a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the ancient Egyptians. Next up, we have the Parthenon sculptures, also known as the Elgin marbles. These classical Greek masterpieces once adorned the Parthenon temple in Athens. They're a testament to the incredible skill of ancient Greek sculptors. Our tour takes us to the Assyrian reliefs, which showcase the art and culture of ancient Mesopotamia. These detailed carvings depict scenes of warfare, hunting, and daily life, giving us a window to the world of the Assyrians. Number 2. The Tate Modern. This museum of modern art is located in a former power station and offers stunning views of the River Thames. Admission is free, but some temporary exhibitions may require a fee. Located in the heart of London along the River Thames, this former power station has been transformed into a contemporary art haven, housing some of the world's most famous and thought-provoking pieces. As we enter the Tate Modern, we're greeted by the massive Turbine Hall. This space hosts large-scale installations and exhibitions, and it's always changing, so you never know what you'll find here. The Tate Modern is home to a vast collection of modern and contemporary art, spread across several floors and galleries. Some of the most famous artists featured here including Pablo Picasso, Salvador Dali, and Andy Warhol. In addition to the permanent collection, the Tate Modern also hosts special exhibitions throughout the year. These exhibitions often showcase works by a single artist or explore a specific theme. After exploring the galleries, you can take a break at the Tate Modern Cafe, which offers a variety of drinks and snacks, or grab a souvenir from the Tate Modern shop. The shop features a wide range of art-inspired gifts, books, and prints, so you can take a piece of the Tate Modern home with you. Let's head up to the Tate Modern's viewing platform. Located on the 10th floor of the Plavantic building, this platform offers stunning panoramic views of London's skyline, including iconic landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral and the Shard. It's the perfect way to end our day at the Tate Modern. Number 3. The Natural History Museum. This museum is a must-visit for nature lovers, with exhibits on everything from dinosaurs to the human body. And like the British Museum, admission is free. This architectural masterpiece is home to over 80 million specimens, spanning billions of years of Earth history. As we enter the museum, we're greeted by the magnificent Hens Hall. This grand space features a 25.2-meter-long blue whale skeleton suspended from the ceiling, named Hope. It's a breathtaking sight and a perfect introduction to the museum's vast collection. No visit to the Natural History Museum would be complete without exploring the Dinosaur Gallery. You'll find a fascinating collection of fossils, life-size models, and interactive displays that bring these prehistoric creatures to life. Don't forget to snap a selfie with the iconic Diplodocus skeleton. Next up, we're delving into the story of a human evolution. This exhibit takes us on a journey through time. exploring our ancestors and the development of our species. From early hominids to modern humans, you'll be amazed by the incredible journey our species has taken. Now, let's shake things up with the Volcanoes and Earthquakes exhibit. Here, you'll learn about the powerful forces that shape our planet, witness volcanic eruptions, and even experience what it's like to be in an earthquake simulator. Number 4. The National Gallery. Located in the heart of London at Trafalgar Square, this art museum houses a collection of over 2,300 paintings, including works by Van Gogh, Da Vinci, and Monet. The National Gallery is divided into several sections, each showcasing art from different time periods and styles. As we walk through the gallery, you'll notice the incredible variety of art on display, from the early Renaissance to the Impressionist movement. There's something for everyone here. And the best part, you can take your time and explore at your own pace, as there is no admission fee. Here are a few tips to make your visit to the National Gallery even more enjoyable. 1. Plan your visit. Check the gallery's website for opening hours and any special exhibitions or events. 2. Download the free audio guide available on their website or through their app. 3. If you need a rest, there are several cafes and restaurants within the gallery where you can grab a bite to eat or a refreshing drink. 4. Don't forget to stop by the gift shop to pick up a souvenir or a beautiful art print to remember your visit. Number 5. The V&A Museum. Located in the heart of London's South Kensington, the V&A Museum is the world's largest museum of art, design, and performance. With over 2.3 million objects spanning 5,000 years of human creativity, this place offers a variety of all tastes and preferences. Admission is absolutely free. As we enter the museum, we're greeted by the stunning architecture and grandeur of the main entrance. The V&A is home to a vast collection of sculptures, paintings, textiles, ceramics, and more. Let's start our tour with one of the museum's most famous exhibits. Welcome to the Cast Courts, where you'll find an incredible collection of plaster casts replicating some of the world's most famous sculptures. Now, let's step into the world fashion. The V&A Fashion Gallery showcases over 400 years of fashion history, featuring iconic designs from the likes of Alexander McQueen, Coco Chanel, and Vivienne Westwood. It's a fashion lover's paradise. Our next stop is the British Galleries, where we'll explore the evolution of British art and design from the Tudor period to the Victorian era. Here, you'll find an exquisite collection of furniture, ceramics, and textiles that tell the story of Britain's rich artistic heritage. For photography enthusiasts, the V&A Photography Center is a must-visit. With a collection of over 800,000 photographs, you'll find beautiful works by many legendary photographers, as well as contemporary artists pushing the boundaries of the medium. Next, let's venture into the Asian galleries, where we'll discover the rich artistic traditions of Asia, China, Japan, and Korea. From intricate ceramics and textiles to breathtaking sculptures and paintings. Our final stop on today's tour is the Sculpture Galleries, which house an impressive collection of European sculptures from the medieval period to the early 20th century. Here, you'll find masterpieces by renowned artists like Rodin, Bernini, and Canova, as well as lesser-known gems waiting to be discovered. Number 6. The South Bank Center. This art complex offers a variety of free events, including concerts, exhibitions, and talks. Check their website for upcoming events. Located right along the River Thames, this iconic arts venue is home to a variety of free events, exhibitions, and performances. The South Bank Center is made up of several buildings, including the Royal Festival Hall, the Queen Elizabeth Hall, and the Hayward Gallery. Each of these spaces hosts a range of free events and exhibitions throughout the year. The Royal Festival Hall is the largest venue within the South Bank Center. This space is known for hosting free concerts, workshops, and talks. Next up is the Queen Elizabeth Hall. Another fantastic venue within the South Bank Center. This space is known for its free contemporary music performances and dance events. Our final stop within the South Bank Center is the Hayward Gallery. This contemporary art gallery often has free exhibitions and installations that are open to the public. Let's head up to the roof garden. This hidden gem offers stunning views of the River Thames and the London skyline. It's the perfect spot to relax and take in the sights after a day of exploring. Number 7. The Houses of Parliament. You can take a free tour of the Houses of Parliament, including the House of Commons and the House of Lords. Just make sure to book your tour in advance. Here we are, standing outside the magnificent Houses of Parliament, also known as the Palace of Westminster. This historic building is home to the UK's government and has been a symbol of British democracy for centuries. The best part? You can explore parts of it for free. Before we dive into our tour, let's take a moment to appreciate the history of this incredible building. The original palace was built in the 11th century and has been the meeting place for the UK's government since the 13th century. The current building was completed in 1870 after a fire destroyed the previous structure in 1834. As we walk around the exterior of the Houses of Parliament, you'll notice the stunning Gothic architecture and intricate details. One of the most famous features is the Elizabeth Tower, which houses the iconic Big Ben bell. Fun fact, Big Ben is actually the name of the bell, not the tower itself. Now, let's head inside. While some areas of the Houses of Parliament require a paid tour, there are still plenty of free things to see and do. You can attend debates in both the House of Commons and the House of Lords, or you can explore the historic Westminster Hall, where many important events have taken place. One of the most exciting things you can do for free at the Houses of Parliament is attending a debate. This is where you can witness democracy in actions as members of Parliament, MPs, and Lords discuss and debate important issues. Just make sure to check the schedule and arrive early, as seating is limited. Our final stop on this tour is the impressive Westminster Hall. This medieval hall is the oldest part of the Houses of Parliament, dating back to 1097. It has been the setting for many historic events, including the trials of King Charles I and Sir Thomas More. Today, it's used for ceremonial events and public exhibitions. Here are a few tips for visiting the Houses of Parliament. 1. Check the Parliament website for the debate schedule and any special events happening during your visit. 2. Remember to bring a valid photo ID, as security is tight and you'll need it to enter the building. 3. Arrive early, especially if you want to attend a debate, as seating is limited and available on a first-come, first-served basis. 4. Be respectful of the rules and guidelines while inside the building, as this is a working government institution. Number 8. The changing of the guard. This iconic ceremony takes place outside Buckingham Palace and is free to watch. Check the schedule of the royal family's website for times and dates. The Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the British monarch. This is where the changing of the guards takes place, and it's a must-see for any visitor to London. The ceremony begins at 11 a.m., but make sure to arrive early to secure a good viewing spot. The changing of the guards involves two groups of soldiers, the old guard, who are finishing their shift, and the new guard, who are taking over. These soldiers are part of the British Army's Household Division and are known for their iconic red uniforms and tall bearskin hats. The ceremony starts with the old guard forming up in the palace forecourt. The new guard marches for Wellington Barracks, accompanied by a regimental band or corps of drums. As they approach the palace, you'll hear the captivating music and see the precise movements of the soldiers. Once the new guard arrives, the two groups of soldiers face each other, and the regimental flags, known as colours, are exchanged. This symbolizes the transfer of responsibility for the protection of the palace. The entire ceremony lasts about 45 minutes, and it's a fascinating display of British military tradition. To make the most of your changing of the guard experience, here are a few tips. 1. Check the official schedule, as the ceremony doesn't take place every day. 2. Arrive early to secure a good viewing spot, ideally by 10:30 a.m. 3. If you want a closer look at the soldiers, head to Wellington Barracks before the ceremony begins. 4. Don't forget to take photos and videos to remember this unique experience. Number 9. The Sky Garden. This indoor garden offers stunning views of the city and is completely free to visit. Just make sure to reserve your spot in advance. Located at 20 Fenchurch Street, also known as the Walkie Talkie Building, the Sky Garden is London's highest public garden. This incredible space offers stunning 360-degree views of the city, lush greenery, and a fantastic atmosphere. Once you've secured your ticket, it's time to explore this amazing space. As you step out of the elevator, you'll be greeted by a lush terraced garden filled with a variety of plants and trees. Wander through the greenery and take in the incredible views of iconic London landmarks like the Shard, the Tower Bridge, and the River Thames. The Sky Garden isn't just about the views and greenery. There are also several cafes and restaurants where you can grab a bite to eat or enjoy a drink while taking in the scenery. While these aren't free, they offer a unique dining experience with a stunning backdrop. To fully enjoy your Sky Garden adventure, consider these helpful suggestions. 1. Book your ticket for a weekday, as weekends tend to be busier. 2. Visit during sunset for a truly magical experience as the city lights up. 3. Bring a camera to capture the breathtaking views and beautiful garden. 4. Dress appropriately, as the temperature can be cooler at this height. Number 10. Hyde Park. If you're looking for some green space in the city, head over to Hyde Park. This massive park is perfect for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even a boat ride on the Serpentine Lake. And of course, it's completely free to enjoy. Hyde Park is one of London's 8 royal parks, covering a massive 350 acres. It's a perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy some fresh air and greenery. Now, let's check out some free activities to do here. First up is the Serpentine Lake, a stunning body of water that stretches across the park. You can take a leisurely stroll along its banks, feed the ducks, or simply relax and enjoy the view. Next, we have the Diana, Princess of Wales Memorial Fountain. This beautiful and unique water feature is a tribute to the late Princess Diana and a great spot to relax and reflect. At the northeast corner of Hyde Park, you'll find Speaker's Corner, a historic site where people have been gathering to debate and discuss since the 1800s. Stop by on Sunday morning to hear passionate speeches and join in on the conversation. For all your flower lovers out there, the Rose Garden is a must-visit with its beautiful blooms and tranquil atmosphere. It's the perfect spot for a walk or a peaceful moment of solitude. If you're visiting with kids, don't miss the Hyde Park Playground. With its exciting play equipment and safe environment, it's a great place for children to burn off some energy and have fun. And there you have it, our top 10 free places to visit in London. We hope this video has been helpful in planning your trip. Have you been to any of these places? Let's know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.